We're at 6000 Fred's Oak Road in Burke, Virginia. This has been the site of the wastewater collection division since the early 1980s. The site is going through a transformation, and what we see behind us in the construction is the development of the new campus for the Water Resources and Infrastructure team. Water Resources and Infrastructure brings together the stormwater and the wastewater programs under one roof, and it gains us efficiencies, stronger collaboration. It allows us to deliver the services that the community has come to expect of us, and also be better positioned in the future to provide any different services based on the community's needs. The wastewater management program is responsible for safely conveying nearly 100 million gallons of raw sewage on a daily basis to 5 different treatment facilities, one of which is the county's Noman M. Cole Jr. Water Recycling Facility. The purpose behind the renaming is to better reflect on a positive impact on the community and our water resources in the community, where we take raw sewage, take it to a process of cleaning the raw sewage and returning clean water safely back to the environment. The stormwater management team is made up of 3 divisions, 2 of which are dedicated to protecting water quality across more than 800 miles of streams and safeguarding properties from flooding. The 3rd division is the newly renamed Urban and Community Forestry. UCF is more dedicated to involving local communities in the planning, planting, and maintenance of green spaces. The organizational adjustment better represents the division's commitment to both developing and maintaining functioning urban and community forest ecosystems within the county beyond just responding to common pests. For more information on what Public Works is doing throughout the community, please log on to the website.